Is LinkedIn down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with LinkedIn right now. I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. As you can see here, I have a print screen from someone who has problems with it. It says this profile is not available and it says retry. And also I have another screenshot with something went wrong from a PC. We're having issues loading your invite. And it says to refresh it. Uh, there are no connections. You cannot comment. You cannot do anything on the app. If you go to Twitter and if you search for a LinkedIn down, and then if you go to the latest comments, you will see that people are commenting non-stop on Twitter. As you can see, another one, this profile is not available, it's just not working right now. But I'm sure that they will fix this as soon as possible. You don't have to worry about it. This is a problem for them. From them, it's not from you. And you just have to wait until they fix it. So if you do have issues with it, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions. You can like this video if it was useful, and you can also subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic, because I will post another update soon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.